Hey future scientists, welcome to another session of 3D questions from Steamspirations, where today we're focusing on classifying matter based on its physical properties. I'm Mr. Lara, your guide in this investigative process. If you need a refresher on this topic, be sure to check out the linked video above, which covers the basics of classifying matter by its physical properties. So let's start our exploration into how different samples of matter can be identified and used based on these properties. In our lab today, we have set up an experiment displaying 4 distinct samples of matter, each with unique physical properties. This activity is designed to deepen our understanding of how these properties can determine the use of different materials. Your task: you're presented with a table that describes 4 samples of matter. All 4 samples listed with their mass, malleability, ability to conduct electricity, and magnetic properties. The question for today is, a student is analyzing the table to determine the best use for each material in practical applications. Which question will best help identify the most suitable application for each sample? The following are our answer choices. A. Does sample 1 float in water? B. Is sample 2 able to conduct electricity? C. Is sample 3 magnetic? D. Can sample 4 be molded into different shapes? Engage with these guiding questions for each choice. Starting off with answer choice A. Does sample 1 float in water? So let's investigate. Look at the density information provided for sample 1 in the table. How might this property affect its buoyancy? Now let's analyze. Consider the potential applications for materials that float. What industries might find this property valuable? Let's move on to answer choice B. Is sample 2 able to conduct electricity? Let's investigate. Review the table for the electrical conductivity information for sample 2. Now let's analyze. Determine the importance of conductivity in electrical and electronic applications. Answer choice C. Is sample 3 magnetic? Investigate. Check the table for the magnetic properties listed for sample 3. Now let's analyze. Discuss potential uses for magnetic materials in various industries. Answer choice D. Can sample 4 be molded into different shapes? Let's begin by investigating. Let's assess the information on malleability provided for sample 4 in the table. Now let's analyze. Consider how the ability to mold a material into different shapes could influence its practical applications. So let's carefully review each sample properties listed in the table and hypothesize their potential applications. This exercise will enhance your understanding of how physical properties impact material usage in real-world scenarios. Remember to record your observations and reasoning behind your choices in your Level Up workbook. Engage in this activity with curiosity and eagerness to learn. And don't forget to join our channel for more insightful updates. So let's go ahead and advance our knowledge of material properties together.